Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mama Beach and I'm here today to do a review on this sweet little bag from Coach Retail, and it is called the Lora Bucket bag, and this is in the color Pollen. When I saw this on their website, I just had to pick it up. I think this color is just so warm and happy, and with the features of the bag as well as the vintage vibe, I thought it was a great combination. But they do have this bag in a lot of other different colors. If you end up liking this style, definitely go check it out. I want to take you guys on a tour of the bag, show you the features. I have packed it full, so I'll show you what fits, and then I will do some mod shots at the end with the different strap options so you can see what it looks like on the body. So the first thing right off the bat that you notice about this bag is this lovely trim detail here they have with the whip stitch, in addition to this jagged edge detail. And this is actually a turn lock, which is classic Coach pocket. So this is an actual pocket. Is it that functional? Not really, if I'm gonna be honest. I shoved my phone in there. I have an iPhone 8 Plus. It kind of fit. I could stand it up and have it sticking out of the pocket. That worked better than laying it down. I think if you had the bag on the interior mostly empty, you would be able to fit your phone more easily here. It's just because when the bag is full, there's not a lot of give here. So I would maybe use this area for something like other small, easy access items, like maybe hand sanitizer, eye drops, something like that, where it would be a little bit more small than a phone. You could also maybe put a card case in here, something kind of flat and narrow, so just something to keep in mind. It is a really cute detail though in terms of aesthetics, so I'm not that angry about it. The sides here, you can see the pulls for the drawstring feature are these really cute tassels that also have that jagged zigzag detail, and then they have this, just the details are so cute on this bag. They have this little tie here where they finish the tassel off, and then it almost looks like leaves or flower petals at the top of the tassel. It's just a really cute detail that I didn't even notice until I got it in person. The bottom does have 4 feet, so that's great in terms of keeping the bag from getting dirty when you set it on surfaces. And then the back is just, you can see the interior pocket and the snap on the interior pocket, but there's no access from the exterior. And then there's 2 strap options that it comes with. They're both removable. Yes! The first one is a short strap for arm carry. Definitely won't fit over the shoulder. It's pretty small. And then it has a much longer strap for crossbody and shoulder carry, and it's a nice width. I think it will carry the weight of the bag pretty well. It's not too narrow. I will say the drawstring, if you really cinch it closed tightly, it does stay closed pretty well. Once it opens to a certain point, it will kind of continue to slowly open. I'm sure you could maybe tie the strings in the front to keep it closed, but I'm not somebody that likes to close my purse. I know that's a security concern, so if you're somebody that lives in a big city or riding the subway, maybe this is not the best option. You want to grab something that has a zipper or a more secure closure. But for someone like me who always leaves my bags open anyways, I don't mind that it doesn't stay all the way closed. So let me show you the interior. You can see I have it packed full here, and the interior is just a coordinating colored leather. So they finished the leather interior on the inside, no fabric or anything like that. Really nice quality. And let me show you what I've put in here. I have fit an umbrella, a large glasses case, a pouch, the wallet I'm currently carrying, which is my Coach accordion card case, and another mid-sized pouch. And then I have my car keys in the one slip pocket that it has, where it is actually a snap pocket, but I don't know that I'd ever snap it. But that's what the inside looks like. It's just a bucket. I mean, that's how drawstring bags work. It's just, you just throw your stuff in. It's not a lot of organization or going on the inside. I did want to show you guys that a full-size wallet will easily fit if you carry a full-size wallet. That is not a problem. And the other thing I brought down was my e-reader. I have a Kindle here, also easily fits. I don't know that you could get anything much bigger than this in here, just because the drawstring needs room to close and cinch. So you need to think about maybe more small items for this bag. It's not a catch-all, really. It would be great for running errands and doing things like that, but probably not a great work bag or something or school bag. You know what I mean? I would have loved if they had made this into a backpack. I don't know that, sorry, I just went off on a tangent in my mind. This would be such a cute backpack style, wouldn't it? All right, let's try it on with the straps that it has. And I will show you guys what it looks like on the body with both of the strap options. Okay, here's how this looks like with just the top handle. It is so cute, carried on the arm or also by hand. It looks really cute carried that way with this just tiny little top handle here. Really, really nice. You can see it's starting to open a little bit. So once again, you've got to keep pulling it shut, and if that's something that bothers you, I would stay away from this style. Let me show you what it looks like crossbody. So really nice drop on the strap. This is at the full length, so this is as low as it can go. I'm 5'9", and if you're shorter, you have a lot of hole options here to shorten it up for your particular size, but I think it looks really cute crossbody as well. It's a little large for crossbody carry, but honestly, I think just because of the shaping, kind of that teardrop shape, it looks really nice carried crossbody as well. And like I said, this is totally removable, so you don't need to worry about this getting in your way while you're carrying it this way. Just take it off and throw it in the bag. I think it's a really awesome style. I'm a big fan of it. So those are my thoughts on the Coach Lora Bucket bag in Pollen. I love this bag. I'm definitely keeping it. I think it is so cute in so many different ways. I love the vintage styling it has. I love this color. I love all of the small details that Coach put into it. And I would say the only negative I can think of is that the drawstring closure might annoy some people if it doesn't stay closed all the way all the time. So just keep that in mind. If that's something that's gonna really tick you off, I would skip this style and go with something with a more secure closure. But I think it's a really fun little bag. And for the price point, I mean, I think the retail's $3.50 and you can get it on sale for at least 30% off, maybe 40% if you wait for a sale. So I think it's a great value for the price point. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me today. As always, I hope you'll subscribe and support me here on YouTube. If you have not subscribed, also make sure you hit that little bell next to the subscribe button so that you get notified of all my new videos that I do about handbags, clearly. Not just Coach, but all different kinds of brands. So if you like that, I know you'll love my channel, and I hope you'll join me for my future videos. All right, I'll see you on my next one. Bye.